What's going on, bounty hunters? This is Wild Boar 1, and you're watching Wild Boar's Rip. So today I have a Star Wars Shadows of the Galaxy pre-release box to open. Without further ado, let's get to ripping. Let's give this pre-release a pat and a salute for good luck, and let's see what we get. Alright, so inside, what do we get? Looks like we get 6 packs. Right here. Oops. Let's make them all in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. What else do we get? We get the promo cards right here. Let's open that at the end. And we get this rule book and this little just paper, soft paper crate case to hold the cards. Alright, so just organize this box. Alright, 6 packs. What shall we start off with? Let's start with the promo cards, okay? So these are the 2 promo cards that we get, and let's take a look at them. Ooh, these are nice. So we got Moff Gideon. Look at that, hyperspace, almost looks like a showcase. And we've got the Mandalorian. Let's go ahead and get these ones sleeved up, just because they're so nice. Only thing is about these foil cards is that they kind of have this little Pringle effect, so I'll put them in a top loader just to straighten them out. Hopefully that works for that. That is a nice card though. Okay, and the Mando card. Let's get this one double sleeved. And in a top loader as well, just to straighten it out. Look at that. All right, let's put these up here for display. Alright, now let's get on with the rip. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Pat, salute for good luck. And let's see if we can get something good. Maybe we can get a showcase or some other legendaries that I don't have yet. First off, we've got Finn. Alright, it's a rare card. Put that over there. Base. And our usuals. Oh, this is, I don't know if I've seen this card. Moments of Glory. Salam. Okay, we got our usuals. Oh, legendary! Nice! I'll take that. Endless Legions, followed by foil. Haktua Freighter. Okay, let's put our legendary in a top loader. Double sleeve that. Endless Legions. Alright, not bad. Next pack is Bo-Katan. Move this out of the way here, just so that I can display my cards. Back there. Bo-Katan and Kylo Ren. Nice. Kylo Ren, rare leader card. I will take that. We got ourselves a hyperspace, Maz Kanata's castle. And then our usuals. Hello there. Alright. Hello, Jedi bounty hunters. Palpatine, we got a rare, Doc Evzin. And hyperspace foil, common, Daring Raid. Get this one sleeved up. Alright, we'll put all our hyperspace together. Next pack, Boba Fett. We got anything good? Let's find out. Gar Saxon. Right. Navarro City. We got our usuals. I love the artwork on this one every time I see it. Gengar. Got a rare, Heroic Resolve, followed by Rokai Gunship. 3 packs remain, so Pat, salute. Let's go Lando, give us something good. Fennec Shan, leader card, alright. Remnant Facility, and we got our usuals. Hyperspace, Cloud Rider, right. No bargain. Another Hyperspace, followed by rare, Inspiring Mentor, Obi-Wan and Luke right there, followed by foil uncommon, Jetpack. 2 packs remain, so next one, double Pat, double salute. Okay, and let's see what we got. Hondo. Remote Village for the Hyperspace. We got our usuals. Hyperspace, Heroic Renegade. Toro. And Zuckus. We got Tobias Beckett. And another rare foil, Survivor's Gauntlet. Alright. Our rare foil with our rares. Last pack, let's give this one a 1, 2, 3 triple pat and 1, 2, 3 salute for good luck. And let's see if we can get something good. Maybe we can get a showcase. Oh please, oh please, oh please. Oh my god. No showcase, that's okay. We got Ray. And let's see the other cards. Cornet City. Okay, we got our usuals. Rancor, we got a rare, Ruthlessness, followed by foil, Super Commando Squad. Alright, so there you have it. This has been the Star Wars Unlimited pre-release box opening. Let's go over the hits and what it came with. So we got these rare, or these foil cards I should say, out of the 6 packs. As for the Hyperspace cards, we got these ones. Hyperspace foil right here, during raid. As for the rare cards, got a few. Kylo Ren and Finn. And the Survivor's Gauntlet rare foil. As for the big hit, we got ourselves one legendary, the Endless Legions legendary, which I don't have yet, which is good, so good that I got this. And for the 2 cards that came with it, these are very nice, these leader cards. We got, these themselves look like showcases. We got the Moff Gideon, and got Mandalorian. Alright, so there you have it. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe to see more content like this. I'll be doing some more unboxings and rips later on this week, so we'll Wild Boar 2. So till then, stay classy, and may the Force be with you.